Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on GRT and the graph, which I wanted to cover today. I think for obvious reasons, we have been very bullish. We had some major bullish breakouts as well, and just wanted to give you my full thoughts and a full overview of what's going on with GRT right now. We'll mainly talk about the technicals. There's not a lot of fundamentals we can talk about. The graph is an amazing project. I 100% agree with that. But there are no fundamental developments or anything like that recently, at least to my knowledge. And I did do some research on that. So we'll really focus on the technicals. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into GRT specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto GRT. So what you could see in terms of the market structure, first of all, I mean, we were just, and still are technically, we're not trending that much. I mean, you can see that the ADX, which is my main indicator for gauging trends, is still under 20. It's getting up to 20 right now, but it's still under 20, and we've practically been consolidating all the time. Even though while we were consolidating, we were also setting up some sort of an uptrend. You can see that we were making higher lows here. And then with the bullish momentum that Bitcoin got in the last, in the last two candles. So last night, we actually got enough bullish momentum to push above this resistance around 15 cents, 14.7 cents. And that bullish breakout was enough to push us to the next level. But as I said, it's like, for me, we're now at this major resistance level around 16 cents, technically between 15.75 and 16.25. This is a major resistance level, all right? And we are technically not trending yet. So I do not see, currently, I do not think we can break through this level. Now, it does depend on what Bitcoin does. I mean, if Bitcoin right now, if you zoom in, Bitcoin breaks above its main resistance level at around 28,700 and we're rallying, GRT is going to follow that. All right, GRT is going to go up to 16.25, break above that, get up to 17.5. But at this point of time, I do not think that is the most likely scenario. And therefore, I think it's more likely that GRT can reach up to 16.25. But for now, that is too much of too strong of a resistance. And we will, after that, we will kind of see whether this will be an uptrend or whether this will just be the top of a consolidation. And we'll see that by, if we get up there, we will drop back down. All right, we'll drop down to 15.5, 15 cents. If we can then actually hold that as a new higher low for like a day or two, and you can actually see some sort of a bullish momentum brewing in the markets as well, then I think we can break above 16.25 later, get towards 17.5. But we need some confirmation that this is really going to be an uptrend, opposed to just a spike up to a major resistance and then a gradual drop back down. That's what we need confirmation for. The ADX is probably getting above 20 soon, so that does mean that we are trending. But a trend like that can also just be happening for, I don't know, for like a day or two and then continue dropping, and then all of a sudden we're not trending anymore and we're in a consolidation, because the consolidation I'm kind of, well, not afraid for, but I'm looking at is something like this. This would actually be valid, right? If you count these two fake outs, this would have been a valid consolidation since the 13th of March. So for almost a month. This is the possibility. This is what I think at this point of time is the most likely scenario, but this is why I think the most likely scenario is that we will find resistance around 16 cents. But yeah, those are my full thoughts on GRT. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching and bye.